Are you looking for something simple and easy to cook in a camp oven that the kids will love? Well, try popcorn. It's really cheap from the supermarket and really easy to do in the camp oven. Here's how. First thing you need to do is get your camp oven hot. So place it on your heat source. It doesn't matter if it's coals, heat beads or gas. And let it heat up. Once it's hot, pour in some oil. About 2 to 3 tablespoons is a good amount. And let the oil heat up. Now pour in a layer of popcorn on the bottom of the camp oven. Put your lid on. And soon enough, it'll start popping away. You'll be able to hear it. Wait for them all to pop. Put them in a bowl and enjoy them with whatever flavouring you want. I like mine plain with a little bit of salt. Anyway, camp oven lovers, if you love that recipe, make sure you check out my website. I have over 50 free camp oven recipes. I'm Mick, the camp oven cook. Happy cooking. Once it's nice and warm, put in a good dollop of oil. Once it's nice and hot,